How to cause chaos and still stay on brand? Let's talk viral marketing campaigns. Those campaigns that seemingly take the internet by storm, spark endless conversations, and kind of make everybody ask, how did they do that? How did they pull that off? But here's the thing. Going viral is an art and a science. So if you want your campaign to cause a buzz, while staying true to your brand, then this video is for you. So what is viral marketing? Viral marketing is all about creating compelling content. Viral campaigns need to grab attention, trigger emotion, and inspire people to share, all while keeping your brand at the core of the story. So step 1 to viral campaigns, you have to know your audience. You can't create a viral campaign without knowing who you're speaking to. Would they respond well to humor? Nostalgia, or bold social statements. Tailoring your message to their preference is key to getting them hooked. So use analytics tools to take a deep dive into their behavior in order to create a campaign that they can't resist to share. A really good example of this, Duolingo on TikTok. They have mastered speaking to Gen Zs with hilarious, unhinged mascot videos.
Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
This resonates with their audience and keeps them top of mind without it being forced. Step 2, nail the hook. In the age of very short attention spans, the first 3 seconds are everything. Your hook needs to be strong, unexpected, or emotional enough to stop people from scrolling. Whether it's a catchy headline or a shocking visual, not too shocking, or an intriguing question, make it impossible for them to ignore. For example, Ryanair's TikTok filter turning planes into meme-worthy faces. The "what color is this dress" debate. It was simple, but it sparked mass engagement. Then the Spotify Wrapped campaign. This was brilliant. Users absolutely couldn't wait to share their results, including me. Step 3, stay on brand. Here's the tricky part. Chaos is fun, but staying on brand is critical. A successful viral campaign, amplify your brand's message, not overshadow it. Keep your tone, visuals, message aligned with what your brand actually stands for, so people remember you, not just the campaign. Here's a pro tip. If you haven't already, you have to create a brand guide with tone, messaging, visuals, so that every campaign feels consistent, even when it's disruptive. Step 4, leverage emotions, because emotion causes action. Laughter, joy, nostalgia, or even outrage. Your campaign should spark something strong enough for people to hit share. Think of campaigns like Dove's Real Beauty, a perfect mix of emotional resonance and brand values. Another example is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Remember that? A mix of fun, philanthropy, that almost made it impossible to not partake. Or Google's Super Bowl ad, Loretta. It tugged at heartstrings and had people crying in 60 seconds.
Hey Google, show me photos of me and Loretta. Remember, Loretta hated my mustache.
Step 5, make sure you choose the right platforms. Not all platforms are created equal, and your content needs to fit the platform that it's shared on. TikTok is great for trends and challenges and humor. Instagram thrives on visuals, and LinkedIn is great for thought-provoking campaigns. So it's important to use a multi-platform strategy to amplify your reach while still tailoring your message to each audience. So for example, Wendy's roasts on Twitter or X work because the platform thrives on humor and clapbacks. Red Bull's extreme sport videos dominate YouTube because they tell high-energy stories. Then you have LinkedIn creators using storytelling posts to make professional insights relatable and engaging. Step 6, you have to make it easy to share. If your audience has to think too hard about how to share this, then you've already lost them. So include shareable elements like hashtags, clear call to actions, or even a simple URL. The easier it is to share, the more people will spread the word for you and viral. An example of a simple and catchy hashtag would be something like hashtag share a Coke. A very clear call to action would be tag a friend that needs to see this. And it's important to encourage user participation. TikTok challenges, meme templates, and remixable content. And step 7, measure and learn. Viral success isn't just about the numbers, it's about the lessons. Use analytics to see what worked and what didn't. Did certain platforms outperform others? Did your message resonate as intended? You can see this through the engagement, and then it's important to apply these insights to refine your future campaigns and keep your brand relevant. Some examples of KPIs that I would track: engagement rate, likes, comments, and the type of comments, and then shares. Definitely watch time if it's a video, how long you were able to keep people engaged for. Conversions, did people actually end up buying or signing up? As well as sentiment analysis, were people reacting positively or negatively? You could have positive viral and negative viral. A great example is Oreo's Dunk in the Dark tweet that went viral during the Super Bowl. And then they used the insights from that success to refine their real-time marketing strategy for future events. So viral marketing might feel like capturing lightning in a bottle, but with the right strategy, creativity, and planning, you can create campaigns that will cause a stir while keeping your brand's identity intact. So which one of these steps will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more marketing insights. Bye!